Hey family, today I had a craving for some pizza, so I thought I would just walk over to Robert's Pizzeria and do a short video of some of their pizza. Check it out. Got the newly remodeled McGovern's, y'all. I don't know if you remember the old building. I don't think it had windows on it before. We're gonna go check out Robert's Pizzeria and Restaurant on campus here in Newark, New Jersey at Rutgers, Newark. Right next to La Cocina. La Cocina? Let's check it out. Let's see if there's anybody in here. Is it crowded? Is it crowded? We're right across. Right here, y'all. We're on Washington Street. Just in case you haven't been here in a while. It's Rutgers University right there, y'all. We're gonna eat some food.
Right here at Robert's Pizzeria. I want to try some pizza, man. I want to try some Robert's pizza. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is it. This is it.
How you doing?
Hi.
Alright. That's the pizza right there. It's a good pizza here? There's some good pizza. You don't know? You just order it? I'm gonna get a cheese. You know what? I'm gonna get a slice with pepperoni. Good pizza? Good pizza? The best?
And a bottle of
Best in Newark?
I think so.
I'm gonna get a slice of pepperoni. That's what I'm gonna get, the pepperoni. I'm gonna tell the truth. It's good though, right?
Usually we don't give answer for that question.
He said normally they don't answer that question. You gotta taste it for yourself.
And a bottle.
I'm trying to get that. That looks like the chicken slice, y'all. Let me get a pepperoni slice. Let me pay for this. Let me get a drink, and then I'll see you guys at the table. All right, y'all, let's see what we got here, y'all. This is gonna be a real quick one, man. Look, pepperoni pizza right there. Got the pepperonis on it, got the cheese. Check out the bottom, y'all wanna see the bottom? Now, if you're from Newark, right, New York, you know that you gotta fold your pizza like this to eat it, but what I'm gonna do. Bread's real tender. It's good pizza. That's good pizza, y'all. I got a soda today. I'm satisfied, y'all. I'm satisfied with the pizza bread. I'm satisfied with the cheese. Very hot. Pepperoni are good. Let's see. Even though I love pizza when it first come out the oven, man, when they first bake it, I think that's the best time to eat it, but it's good pizza. Would I suggest you come here? Yeah, come out, check them out. Robert's, right? Robert's. Yeah, this pizza place, a location. I'm sorry for y'all out west, like Ohio and Texas. Y'all don't know how to make that good pizza. A lot of people don't know that mozzarella, when it starts heating it up, you get some of that oil that comes from the cheese. And of course you get some oil that comes from the pepperoni, but the cheese gets a certain oil to it, then it mixes it with good sauce. This tastes like good pizza sauce. And I want to hear from comments from you guys. What makes a good pizza? Is it the dough? Is it the cheese? Is it the sauce? Is it the ingredients they put on top of it? Really interested to hear from you. It's Matt DV signing off. Like, subscribe. See you guys at the next one. Peace.